Because, my friend, your enemy of conversion is confusion. By the end of the day is really go back to your messaging. 99% of my clients, when they first work with me, we clear that up. Instantly, they get results. So I want you to go back to your LinkedIn profile. Let's talk about personal branding. But let me tell you a very embarrassing story. I did a very silly things as well. Despite my career experience, I've helped hundreds of my clients to nail their follow-worthy and profitable personal branding message so far. I decided to throw my entire advice out the window and stuff my messaging with this. Right? I have so many different offers, I have so many target audience, and then we're still telling people things they already know. Make it so confusing for people to understand what I do, who is my target audience, how can I help, and make it really difficult to take action. But we're going to change it completely for you today, okay? I want you to look at your offer suite. I want you to focusing on one or two only on LinkedIn. One or two. Not give your entire offer suite away. Not like one-on-one strategy call there, like a photo shoot here, a corporate workshop. You can book me. Don't give 5 offers. Let's not do it, my friend. And also hone into one target audience. If you have 2, that's totally fine. But hone in 1 or 2, that will really help you. Because I don't want you to become these type of profile. These are the ones that I worry the most for my clients. And in fact, a lot of my clients either come with me with no profile present. I call this the Cheesecake Factory LinkedIn profile. Have anybody go to Cheesecake Factory? I remember the first time I'm bringing my family over and they're like, whoa, there's so many items in the menu. And it took them like a decent 20 minutes to make a decision, right? And I want to tell you that sometimes stuffing your LinkedIn profile with, hey, buy me, hey, my program, hey, my workshop, it will actually leave them not knowing what to do. This is called take time and loss. There's so many options available. The longer it takes for someone to make a decision what to do, and they decided not to do anything. And that's what we don't want. You see the difference of what not to do is stuff yourself with buzzword. Remember the 3 SEO keyword I want you to win? So always remember that. Don't use LinkedIn as a resume, but use it as a sales page. Tell people already things they already know. Confuse people to understand you and your business, not clear about the next step. And there's no specific client testimonial, right? Like I mentioned that very quickly earlier. Sometimes people really read all the stuff. Anyone is like the type of buyers that will read every little details in the sales page. I'm not those, but I know there's people out there doing that, right? So they will do the same in your LinkedIn profile recommendation. They're like, wait, you help your clients with this, but you also help your clients with this. This is very confusing for me. So can you really help me with this? So what to do? Have 8 seconds only to understand you and your business. Present yourself as a solution. Deliver valuable quality content. Clear, focused, well-defined messaging. Refine your CTA that matches your sales goal. I cannot stress how important is this one, and I'll show you how you can do that too. And powerful, specific client transformation in your recommendation. Because, my friend, your enemy of conversion is confusion. By the end of the day is really go back to your messaging. 99% of my clients, when they first work with me, we clear that up. Instantly, they get results. So I want you to go back to your LinkedIn profile. This is a very interesting fact. Like, I think 2 years ago, Microsoft did a research. Our attention span is around 12 seconds. Now we do our attention span research is 8 seconds. We're literally lower than Goldfish right now for our attention span. So Goldfish is 9 seconds. We're only 8 seconds. So I want you to ask yourself, go to your LinkedIn profile, put up a alarm clock right now. Can you know who do you serve on your LinkedIn profile? What problem you're trying to solve? And how do you help your ideal clients in 8 seconds? That's it. Who, what, how. If this is a yes and yes and yes, you pass the test. If that's a no, continue listening to me. So if no, then which means we need to work with the who, right? Who do you serve? Your ideal clients. You need to call them out sometimes. People are, busy people. They don't necessarily need to search around your profile to find, are you my people? No. Call them out with your content, with your cover image, right? What problem are you trying to solve? What's the result you're helping your clients with, right? Tell them the milestone. I help clients to build a follow-worthy personal brand. I help clients to create content that opens heart and wallet. I help clients to turn their LinkedIn connection into clients. What's your 3 things? And your process, how? And only focusing on 2 offers. I encourage you. If you can even one, even better. And I want you to say goodbye to things like that. Achieve your full potential. I offer consulting, training, coaching, mentoring. I'm a business career life managing consultant. Oh my goodness. I have no idea what you do and how you can help me. Too broad, too confused, too fluffy brand messaging. Can we say bye to this? When you're trying to attract everybody, you are ending up attract nobody.
Hey Insider, do you like what you're watching so far? I really hope you do. This episode is sponsored by our very own personal brand boss, our signature LinkedIn program to create a follow-worthy personal brand that attracts your ideal clients and transform your boring LinkedIn profile into a highly converting sales page and move your readers to take action within 30 days. I cannot wait to see you there.
But why you? Everyone have a story. In order to basically differentiate yourself from other people in the same industry, how do people choose you, right? Because of your story. I want to encourage you to share your story on LinkedIn. Who are you in the past? How to get you there? Your origin story is how is going to help you to make or break whether someone is going to work with you or not. People work with people that is relatable. People work with people that knowing where they are previously, where they desire to be, right? Could be the same level you are like 2 or 3 or 5 years ago for your clients. Right? If you're following Amy Porterfield, one of the things I really like about, she said like, you just need 10% edge with somebody's that you know your wisdom and knowledge, 10% and 10% only, right? And I want to encourage you to create your own origin story as well. Create that, write that, post that. Don't put it in a draft because people need to hear who you are. Who is it that you serve? What's your origin story? How do you start where you are, become who you are today, right? And if you decided to post that, you will see amazing result, right? On LinkedIn. Not just going viral, but something just so relatable. People will be like, oh my gosh, this is my person. I want to follow this account. Not just my client's result. I want to show you LinkedIn actually specifically have this in their website. I put it in black, very important. Starting with you sharing with your CEO story, because LinkedIn literally say when they do, they open a range of topics, including personal story, anecdote, which helps them to nurture professional relationship. LinkedIn algorithm loves this shit. They loved it. They encourage it. Then my question is, why not? Why are you not sharing it? Share your story, my friend. You've learned how to create a bulletproof personal brand messaging to attract your people. Remember the 3 things, the who, the how, and what? I want you to craft your CEO story that stands out. This is how you can like differentiate yourself from CEO of the noise on LinkedIn. I also want to encourage you to optimize your LinkedIn profile for trust and conversion. What's the CTA, call to action you want people to go? You don't want them to go to your LinkedIn profile. They're like, oh, this is such an amazing profile. But what do you want them to take action? Is it to DM you? If that's the case, put it in your profile. Is it to add a sales page on top of your URL? Then do that. Think about what is the number one call to action that align with your sales goal at this moment. I want to encourage you to think about where do you want to drive the traffic to? Is it to your blog? Is it to a podcast show? Is that PR featured by Forbes? Where do you want to drive traffic to? I encourage you to do that. Drop in the chat, where would you like to start? Is it going to be personal branding? Is it going to be your origin story or the profile optimization part that we just mentioned earlier? Say goodbye to those fluffy, don't know what they're talking about, confusing type of profile. So commit to this, my friend, because what's ordinary to you is amazing to others, my friend.
If you love this type of video and you want more video like this, don't forget to smash that subscribe button right now. And I cannot wait to create more helpful LinkedIn video like this to you. If there's one thing I share today, help you to get one step closer to being the CEO you desire to be, then I've done my job well in today's video. Cannot wait to see you again next week, same time, and let's make LinkedIn work for you and your business. Bye for now.